everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make tamarind rice. This recipe is super easy, tasty, sour and spiced. I got this recipe from my nanny. She used to love this. So I got this recipe from her and I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's start. Let's dry roast now. Chana dal,
urad dal,
coriander seeds, methi seeds, black peppercorn, and now we'll roast this nicely. These are nicely roasted as I can smell the aroma. Now we'll add red chilies
and sesame seeds.
The masalas are nicely roasted. अब हम इसे साइड में रखेंगे जब तक ये ठंडा ना हो जाए. ये ठंडे हो गए हैं. Now we'll transfer this into the mixie jar. And here I am going to add hing. Chalo, let's grind this. See, nice fine powder. Now we'll start with the tadka. Let's heat the kadai first. Add oil. Let's wait till the oil is hot. And now we are going to add 2 dals first. So here, chana dal and urad dal. Along with that, I'm going to add groundnuts. Let's roast this for a while and then we'll add mustard seeds along with curry leaves, which is must. South Indian recipe है तो curry leaves तो जानी ही है. And now red chilies, hing. Mix this well. Tadka is ready. Now I'll add tamarind paste to it. Give this a quick stir and add turmeric powder along with some salt and jaggery. Stir this well जब तक jaggery जो डाली थी वो melt ना हो जाए. And now I'm going to add this powder. Now let's shift this. Now here, I'll take some rice in this pan and then add this mixture. Now time to mix everything well. This smells really very nice. And done. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, tangy and spiced tamarind rice ready हो गया. So now let's plate this. Now let's garnish this with coriander. Perfect. जैसे मैंने बोला था, this recipe is super easy, right? My nanny's favorite dish. Do try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. Bye.